How to send Google Calendar invites in email. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can send your Google Calendar invites via email. So let's get into it. So over here, let's say here I have no event. So here I have an event, I have a meeting, and I want to invite people to this meeting. All right, what I will do is, here you can see underneath we have the guest list. Here we can go ahead and add guests. So I'll just add some of the emails that I already own, and we should be good to go. So now that we have some of our emails, here we have at Google Meets conferencing, you can go ahead and add it. This is like their own Google Meets video. It'll have up to 100 guests connection over here. You can see right here, this is the link as well. And we can add other locations as well and everything else. So once we've added this, right, we can go ahead and add modify events. These are the guest permissions, of course. So they can see the guest list, they can invite others, or if you don't want them, it totally depends on you. But yeah, once you've done that, all you got to do is add a description to this event, and then just simply click on save, and boom, the invitation is sent via Google Calendar. And click on send, and there we go. It's as simple as that. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you send Google Calendar events links via email. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.